Today, we will talk about data receive management in AGen software. In AGen software, data receive is a subsystem help to receive data from other devices. As for AGen software, you can download or set up in mobile APK. After login, you can add data into AGen software. When you want to transfer data to the server, you need to press sync button or set your devices into auto sync mode. Now back to data receive page, you can find it in setting at the left sidebar. This page will show the data that is received from other devices. In this page, you can press the sync button to manually sync the data from other devices or enable auto sync to let AGen software automatic sync itself. You can also select the row you want to delete with the delete button above. Lastly, you can click the export button to export the table in Excel, CSV, or print. To know us more, you can visit us at agen.mobi or scan the QR code on the screen.